was an undergrad, I had thought of going for a PhD at that time. And one of my professors talked me out of it. I remember he said then that you can make a lot more money practicing finance than getting a PhD in economics, which was probably correct. It was correct. But
it was correct. It probably still is correct today, but okay.
It probably still is correct today.
It doesn't mean you're fulfilled, however.
I think that's right. And I had a desire to do something else, to try something else. So I could have come back into investment banking after I finished my MBA.
Did you have an offer from come back?
I did. I mean, I was speaking with firms. Firms reaching out to me too, and I could have.
Yeah.
But I decided at that point that wasn't something that I wanted to do.
How did you come across this? How did you say, I'm going to start up my own thing?
Yeah, so we started while in business school. A couple of friends of mine and my wife, we did an entrepreneurship course